Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about SLP, Axie's in-game currency, to see what it's doing. If you were watching the charts yesterday, after quite a long downtrend below our EMAs, suddenly it breaks out and you're probably wondering, what the hell? SLP tends to be tricky because normally when we cover gaming cryptos, we're always looking for buying opportunities because the space is still young. We know that most cryptos will be going up this cycle. So the current mindset that we always have is, okay, are there any buying opportunities that exist when we look at the charts? SLP is slightly different because majority of it is really in-game earned. I will always look at it from the situation of a seller. When is a good time to sell SLP instead of the other way around? An important thing to note is when a crypto starts to really moon because of a particular news event. So I think this particular moon was because of the opening of the Ethereum liquidity pools. When you have this type of situation where it really starts to moon and start to see a sharp candle to the upside, as a seller, you really have to take advantage of the situation because 99 times out of 10, the price really goes back down. You have when you have a very short but strong momentum on the upside, it is usually immediately almost always followed by a sharp correction to the downside. And to best illustrate, if we look at the 4-hourly time frame, look at what happened. You have a situation where it started to moon and then it fell back down. So if you had the mindset that it was just going to come up forever, you would have lost 60% of the potential profits that you could have had you sold while price was still mooning at a particular level. I'm not saying here that you should have sold at the top because that's impossible. What I just want everyone to realize here is if you hold a bag of SLP because you're buying Axie for a while, when you see opportunities like this, really take advantage of it. While I believe that profits are profits, regardless of how small or how big, these opportunities rarely come by, or it takes a long time for this opportunity to come by again. So when you have this type of situation, not financial advice, but really do take advantage of it, this is the time to really spring into action when it comes to this type of price action. If you're somebody who was looking to buy SLP, I hope you did not buy during this green candle phase. Because again, if you buy green candles, you will always get dumped on by those who are willing to sell at the higher price points. Because most of the time, when you have a bullish continuation, price always rests at key levels. What those key levels are, change chart to chart, crypto by crypto. But if you can find what those key levels of support are, those are typically the buying opportunities that exist. Another thing to note here is how you know a particular asset is overbought. Look at the RSI. So this is why it's very important that you always have the RSI with your charts because it shows you that this is really oversold. So you have an 86 RSI, and if you looked at the past history of SLP, we have actually never reached this level before. This one was around 77. This one was around 75. So we've never reached this level before. So this is the perfect opportunity to really realize some of those profits because again, very overbought RSI, sell some of your bags and wait for the price to come down. So a potential question that you may have is, okay, sure, now you have a mega rally here. What's going to happen moving forward? So this is where you monitor the situation. If you're a buyer of SLP, try to see if we can hold this level of support above the EMAs, basically. If we are able to be above the EMAs, then we will continue moving forward. But if it starts to break down, so if it breaks down the 55 EMA and goes back down the 21 EMA, then we know that the price levels will come back down to where it was before. And that's it. I won't really track SLP on a regular basis because SLP tends to be a very inflationary token. Also, it is earned in-game. So majority of the time, what we're looking for here are selling opportunities rather than buying opportunities. So when that happens, we'll make a video out of it and I will let you know. But otherwise, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.